Hey guys, good morning. It's Robert from Tall Guys RC, getting ready to go out this morning and fly my RACores Yak55. So I charged up some batteries, checked them with my voltage little reader here to make sure they're good to go. I'm gonna grab a quick cup of coffee and then we're gonna head over to my flying area and we're gonna do some flying. So watch the new intro. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're out today flying the RACores Yak55. This plane has been out for a couple years now, and after moving out to my new location here in San Diego, I kind of missed this plane, so I decided I would order another one from Jim at RACores. We're gonna just take it out today and do some hucking with the RACores Yak55. I'm going to be flying it with two packs today. I'm going to be flying it with a Venom 430, and I'm also going to be flying it with a 360 2-cell. Check all my surfaces. Got a little crosswind today, guys, blowing from the right to the left, or yeah, right to left, but plane handles it fine. Love how these planes slow down to basically a crawl. I think what you have to do is, when you're flying slow like this, is you got to learn how to use that rudder to turn. You can see here I'm not turning with the aileron so much. I'm actually using the rudder to swing the tail around. Nice and slow. Plane is on low rates, which is I'm setting my plane for 100%. This is actually at 70% rate, so this is the roll on 70%. And then let me switch it over to high rate so you guys can see the difference. You see there's a little wind up there. So this is 100% rates here, guys. Big difference. The big thing on full rates on this plane is the rudder. You can see I can snap roll using the rudder here, and turning with the rudder here. See how small circles I can turn. Let's do this again. The wind is just gusting here, so this is a rudder turn. You can see how, whoa, got birds attacking my plane. Did you see that, guys? A bird was trying to attack my plane. Do a little hover here. In the wind it's kind of difficult, but it hovers just fine. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Do me a favor, if you have not subscribed to my channel, click on the little subscription below, and if you're a mobile user, click on the little bell notification so you will know when I upload videos weekly. There's more videos coming soon from Tall Guys RC.